All right, guys, we're going to chat to you a little bit about where the barefoot theme came from. As you know, we're pretty full on about being barefoot. You can see the foot up on the wall there. So we're going to ask Ninja a couple of questions about the origins of why we are barefoot.
Yep. So first memory is when I was about 6 years old. So doing I think it was a 50-meter sprint when you're an attacker. So everyone had bare feet. If you put shoes on in that 50-meter race, because we just had old school shoes, like you just slip. So just remember that, and I remember loving it, just that freedom, and just I loved winning as well. I was the fastest, so that made it even more enjoyable. And then also just with training as well, I've actually been training barefoot for about 30 years. So I didn't realise that I was doing it as much as I was, but I saw some old photos. We used to do speedball training, and we always did speedball in bare feet, and all our exercises, so like our squats and our push-ups, pull-ups, dips, we're all barefooted in the gym. So yeah, so that's where that kind of originated from there, the early days. So it's been a long time for me.
Yeah,
that.
It was cool. It wasn't until literally last week, Ninja brought in all these old Polaroids of him training, and even you didn't even realise that back when you were 20, you were bare feet. But all these photos, speedball, in this ghetto shed, doing gym work, was all barefoot. So that's nearly 30 years.
Yep.
And it all comes back from when you were 6, running, which is what we do tonight. Where Friday we're sprinting.
Yeah.
So.
And I've got a 6-year-old daughter now, so when I was her age, I could still remember being barefoot.
So cool. Yeah, awesome. So hopefully that inspired you guys to maybe get barefoot, and if you want to learn a little bit more about the benefits and perhaps some challenges that might come up with going barefoot, watch the videos below and you'll learn yourself something.